mesh piping. Before we start this video, I insist you to subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed it. Share this video, like and comment on it. I personally read all your comments and try to reply them. This is your channel, so share this information with your friends and colleagues as much as possible. So today is this video is a very short video, and it is a continuation of the series on fire safety. So today we are going to see the fire suppression system. So what it means by fire suppression system? To recollect on the last episode, we have seen there are two different systems. One is the direct and indirect. So direct system means the one which directly, or indirect, which means active and passive fire protection system. So what is this active and passive fire protection system? Active fire protection system, as the name suggests, it takes active part in suppressing and extinguishing the fire. Whereas in case of the passive fire protection system, it tries to slow down the spread of fire. The best example of this passive fire protection can be the uh, fire resistant brick and the walls made out of it. So they compartmentalize the fire. Like for example, there are 8 to 10 different areas and they are separated by means of firewall. Each of these areas are prone and sensitive to fire. So whenever there is a fire in one of those areas, the spread of that fire will be limited because of this passive fire protection, that is these walls. So today we are going to see the active fire protection systems, and those are the suppression systems which do not, that means they are those systems which do not directly extinguish the fire, but it suppresses the spread of fire, and in some cases it extinguishes the fire also. So having a look at the definition, a fire suppression system is an engineered unit created for extinguishing fire. More often than not, a fire suppression system comes with components that can detect fire in its nascent stage. That means when the fire starts to spread, or even if when the fire is lit up, it is and ignited in the very early stage itself, there are systems in this fire suppression which detects it, and then it can take the necessary action. So now coming to the point, fire suppression systems we will see here. One is the fire sprinkler. Of course, we have made a dedicated session on the fire sprinklers, and we will deal it separately. So what are those? So here I have given 4 different systems. So one by one I will go. First is the fire sprinklers. In that we have 5 different types: wet pipe, dry pipe, foam pipe. So what you can see here is the foam. This is the foam discharge whenever there is some fire detected, and we are going to see why these different classifications are there. Then the wet pipe, antifreeze, and fifth is the pre-action dilute. So all these 5 types will be discussed in greater details during the topic or the session episode on the fire sprinklers. Then second one is the gaseous agents. We can see the carbon dioxide is there. It is directly extinguishing the fire. Of course, there are different types of fire. We are going to see a particular selection of a particular extinguishing system for a given fire. So what are the rules and regulation that we are going to see in the fire extinguisher episode, which is next to this today's episode. And the third one is the chemical agents, wet chemical and dry chemical. And the fourth one is the fully automatic suppression system. So this episode itself is an overview to the coming episodes. So to get an elaborate view on all of these types, I request you to watch the coming videos. They are of a very interesting mode. We are going to see different types of these fire systems. So that's it for today. So thank you for watching the video, and once again share our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and